Oh, we're up on the bridge of the National Geographic Quest here. We're just about to go through one of the locks, and it's back over my shoulder over there. And we're waiting for the go ahead, so we got some spare time here. Came inside to get warm and see what's going on inside here. So we'll take a little look around here. Okay, see you later.
Well,
this is inside the bridge here, and got all kinds of things going on here. We got the captain right here. He's going to say hi for a few seconds here to everybody out there in YouTube land. So,
good morning. Good morning.
All right. He's doing an excellent job too, by the way. So is the rest of the staff here. So we're in good hands here. And no maps where we are here. And other things going on. And people are starting to line up out there. And beautiful day.
Thank you, Captain.
You're welcome.
See you in a little bit.
Let me know how much winds up on the cutting floor. Or wait, not any cutting floor. Delete floor.
Hello.
This is our photographer on board the National Geographic Quest, and this is
Sarah.
Sarah,
Video
okay.
counselor.
Okay, good. We're glad to have her too.
Thank you.
Well, we're at the lock, and we had to wait for a couple minutes because there was some traffic coming upstream here, and you can see right out there. There's a number of barges that just came up this way, so we're waiting for our turn. And as soon as this guy gets out of the way, we'll be able to go into the lock, which is right about over here, right about there. Okay.
So this isn't a full configuration. This is one more of the fifth barge next to the towboat. This is a different type of gate. Remember yesterday it was a guillotine style gate that lifted up so we could leave. This gate is more like a pair of barn doors. They will swing inwards to open.
Probably reduces transmission or whatever it is. Currently going through the locks here, and we're going to be lowering down in a couple of minutes. So we're going to be going down and then back out the other side here. So just under a little bridge here, and there's a dam here also. So it's right in back of me. The bridge is up, and we're going through. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. That's the fish ladder that you see over there, right about over this area here. We're currently inside the lock. We're waiting for the water to go down. Once the water goes down, then the gates will open and back at me here, and we'll flow out to the lower level. So let's wait and see what happens here. Okay, we're starting to go down. The water's going down slowly. If you look up there, you can see it just slowly. It's not going real fast yet, but real slowly. You'll see the walls. Pretty soon we'll be down and the walls will be all up here, and then we'll be able to make it out on the other side. You can just about see, and I'll try to raise this up in a minute, that the water level is much smaller on the other side. Okay, now we're picking up speed here, so it's coming down here a little bit more. Just the bow of the ship here. And we're going to come off to the other side here, and the sun's in my back, and you can see the wall there is going down. And we're going down a little further, slowly but surely here. You can see on the wall over there, turning down lower. Now we're in the shade now. It's a little cooler in the shade. Now pretty soon you're going to see those gates in back of me open up here. So hopefully we'll get a shot of it, but pretty soon. And we're down pretty far here. So and you see it open up, and it'll be blue sky, lots of water, and we'll just move on out there. So, all right. Okay, gates are opening in back of me, so we're going to turn around and watch as we pass on through here. Okay. Okay, we're starting to move out of the lock now, ever so slowly. And this is the back of the boat. That's where we just came through the lock. The dam is over there. And we're heading away from it now. And that's how much we dropped down from way up there down to this level here. So we made it through okay here. There's a sign. There's a lock schedule over there, although they said there really isn't any. You just show up, and any size boats from a rowboat to a big boat here. But they got some kind of a schedule there anyhow on that little sign over there, right there. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture with the